Hi, Tracy Hugelmeyer here from VintagepreneurUniversity.com, where I help vintage sellers start, grow, and scale their business on Etsy. I also own my own vintage business, Rustic Eye, that I've had on Etsy since 2013. And today I'm going to talk to you about a brand new feature that Etsy rolled out that allows you to run a country-specific sale and a few reasons why you may want to do that for your own business. Okay, so here I am in set up a new special offer, and I started by going to my dashboard and then marketing and sales and coupons, and then a new special offer, create a new special offer. And then what you're going to want to do is run a sale. And once you do that, you're going to see this new option, where is this offer valid? So regardless of if you do a percentage off or, a discount, or whatever sale you're doing, you can choose your country. So you might be wondering, why would you want to do that? Where I see this having the most value is for non-US sellers who have set up the free shipping guarantee for US buyers, and they want a way to offer their domestic shoppers and customers a lower price because they have baked in the cost of the expensive international shipping into their item price in order to offer the free shipping guarantee or free shipping on items to US buyers. So let's say you are in the UK and you sell both to the UK and to the United States. You might then decide for your United Kingdom customers that you are going to do a 10% off because everything is more or less 10% more expensive to make up for your US buyers and that shipping expense. So this is one way you can do it. Obviously, it's not going to be a perfect science, but you can maybe feel a little bit better about raising those prices for your US buyers and then being able to offer lower prices to your domestic customers. And you may increase your domestic, you may be able to tap into your domestic market a little bit more effectively with a sale as well. So you can try that and see how it goes. And I do think that that was the primary reason for Etsy setting up this functionality as well, because that's when they started talking about the fact that they were going to create a tool for that specific purpose for the country-specific sales. But maybe there's another reason that you want to do a country-specific sale. Off the top of my head, maybe you have an item that you know is very popular in a particular country. Maybe it's a certain sports team or something like that. You can set a country-specific sale to capture the attention of that particular country. So try that and see how it works and let me know. I'm curious if anyone is able to use this tool and the success that they see from it, or if they don't see any success from that, I'd love to know as well. You can always pop on over to our free Facebook group and post there. The group is called Etsy Junkies, and I will link to it in the notes of this video below for you. Or, send me a message or comment below. I always like to hear from you. So I'll see you in our Facebook group, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click the little bell next to the subscribe so that you will be notified whenever a new video comes out. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a great rest of your day. Bye!